Ben is on a mission to get coffee, and my phone apparently just ran out of data, and he's been gone for a really long time, and I hope he didn't get lost or something. I don't know where he is. My SIM card, I was able to get an eSIM with 50 gigs of data for like $5, but it only lasted for 10 days and I wasn't paying attention to it at all, and I think that the 10 days must have ran out right now. If he's gone for much longer, I'm gonna go out there and look for him. All right, here he comes, and he's got a bag, so I guess he found the coffee. I was getting worried about you.
That was the first time in my life that I've ever seen anything like how they made this coffee.
Oh, really?
They had like this like hand espresso like crank thing.
Crank thing?
And then they would put the espresso on it, pour the water in, and they had this big handle that they would pull all the way back. It wasn't a machine. It was literally like a manual thing. They would pull it all the way back and they would press it super hard, and the guy would lean down on it super hard and it slowly have the espresso drip out.
What did you get?
I got just a regular latte. I got you a latte with oat milk. So this is what it looks like. They grind the beans and then they put it in like the normal espresso thing, and then he pours water into it and like pushes that big handle down, and it slowly drips the espresso into that cup.
Wow, made with flavor of love, I guess.
Yeah, really. He put a lot of work into it.
We've left Ko Chang in our rearview mirror, but the rain refuses to wave us goodbye. It's funny, isn't it? Before a trip begins, you think it will be the destinations you'll remember, but in fact, it's the unexpected surprises. This adventure isn't about having our expectations met, but rather enjoying whatever we discover along the way.
Oh, hey. Look at that view. Yeah.
Is the longer not close?
Yeah, it's like a 3-4 minute walk. Like you just go out the back and then go left and go or right and left. It's called Space Wash.
The adventure of full-time travel is almost too much to handle right now because we're up to some really fun stuff tonight.
I was just gonna say on the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again.
Most of our travels are very loosely planned. Some days this leads us nowhere, but other days we stumble into something epic. Usually at the recommendation of a friendly local, or by clicking random places on Google Maps until something catches our eye. Today, it's the latter.
We are at this mangrove forest about 30 minutes from the city center, and like most things on our Thailand road trip so far, we are the only ones here. What can you tell us about the mangrove forest?
Not a lot, unfortunately. I have no idea what that says.
Gotta brush up on our Thai.
Yeah, we're not going to do any reading today. We're just going to look.
A massive nature reserve stretching along Thailand's eastern coast. This region is home to a thriving mangrove forest, where land and sea have agreed to share the same house. And its shade provides us a welcome relief from the oppressive heat.
It's cool how these trees are just like, look like a bunch of different little spider legs sticking into the soil. it's pretty impressive that all these trees can live in one place and not just like overtake each other because their roots are all mixed up. It reminds me of the way that when you're in Bangkok and you have the Thai electrical power lines. That's what this looks like, the Thai electrical power lines.
It's estimated that 30 species of crabs live within Thailand's mangroves.
If you look close down here, you can see these little tiny crabs, but they're kind of hard to see because they're black. I've never seen like straight black crabs before, but I guess because they want to blend in with the mud so nothing else eats them. But they're kind of hard to see. As soon as you look away, you lose it, and then you gotta look really close to find it again.
It's so quiet out here, and you can hear like all of the wood like creaking in the background. And then I think that the crabs get like a little spooked whenever we walk by, because then you can hear them like plop down into the water whenever we walk past.
I'm surprised we haven't even heard like any birds or anything chirping.
Oh, look. What is that? What is that?
Oh, speaking of birds,
It's like a big white bird. What was that?
I don't know. Maybe some type of like egret or something.
That's a dugong. I've seen pictures of it before.
Is it like a manatee almost?
Kind of looks like it. Oh man, I would love to see one of those. Oh, it says they can rarely be found because of hunting.
Oh, that's sad.
It says they're close to being extinct.
Oh man. This is probably the only dugong and dugong baby that we'll see here.
Okay, it seems like everything is this way. Viewpoint, suspension bridge, and a bird watching tower. Big things ahead.
All right, I think we should go left.
The water must be high, so that's pretty covered.
Look at that crab down there. Oh, there's 2 crabs down there. You see those? Those are big. Oh wait, there's a ton. Yeah. There's a ton down there. It's a Haley crab face-off.
He was looking at me.
Those are really big crabs.
How crazy that nature can teach you nearly every lesson there is to know in life.
Did you hear that?
Sounds like a roar.
That's what I thought. Is there like alligators here or something?
I don't know.
I swear it sounded like something.
I think we're fine if we're on this thing. I'll let you go first. I'm just kidding. It's just a little squeaky.
Oh no. Oh
It's okay. You'll be fine. They're fine.
man, I was just thinking about how nice it was and that I wasn't sweating. No, now I'm sweating.
Hey, you made it.
We can go this way, right? Where we don't have to go back across?
Yeah.
Okay.
The observation tower here. I think it's about 6 flights of stairs. Haley's staying down below.
I'm too scared of that.
It seems like it's okay so far. Oh man, there you can see the whole lake from here. I think this is the lake. If not, maybe it goes out into the ocean over there. Wow, this is a really good view. You can see it looks like there's some boats out there fishing, and maybe I think there's like a little bay right there that they can go out into the water. And then you can see the mountains on this side. Me and Haley's missing out. At least I'm gonna tell her that. Hey. How's the view from down there? Pretty good?
One thing that there's never any shortage of in Thailand is nice viewpoints and places to watch the sunset. It's not really quite sunset yet, but there's a lot of clouds, so it looks like it's starting. We were just all the way at the top of that hill looking at the viewpoint, and we saw this beach down here. I think this is Chow Lao Beach, and the tide must be really far out because the beach is just huge right now and there's not really any waves. It's so calm and the sky is turning pink and it's reflecting on the sand all across the beach. It is so beautiful. Just another perfect day in Thailand, as always.